Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Eufy Security See Everything Smart Lock.
And Eufy sent us this for the review.
All right, so this is really cool because it's a smart lock and it has a video doorbell built in.
Wow, this big heavy mechanism here. There's your camera, right? And then there's a keypad to enter in with, and your favorite, the fingerprint.
Oh, yeah, fingerprint. See if it works for me.
Yeah, and then this is the doorbell button, but hidden behind is grab the keys because this is the
Takes
secret.
keys.
Takes keys.
Whoa.
These are the spot for the keys, which is pretty cool. And then in the bottom, in case your battery dies, if you're outside, you can plug in a USB-C connector and charge the system up so
Yeah.
you can get in.
It also has rechargeable battery pack. So no more of those AA batteries.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at that. It's all self-contained, and it has a USB-C connector in the back for charging it. And this is inside the house. This is where the battery pack goes. And this is for locking and unlocking from inside your house manually, right?
So it comes with everything you need to install it. Also comes with a little wireless chime.
And all the gadgets for putting it on the door. So the door plunger, whatever they call those things, the strike that goes on the
Strike
door,
plate.
strike plate, and a bunch of screws, and really heavy duty screws, which I think is really great. So yeah, everything you need to install it.
All right, so we're going to go off and install this and come back and show you how it works in our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.